India is in touch with members of the Afghan Sikh and Afghan Hindu communities, and should they want to come to India, India will do that. There has been an official statement from the Ministry of External Affairs. The government spokesperson, the spokesperson for the Ministry of External Affairs, Joint Secretary Arindam Bagchi, says the government is monitoring the situation on ground. Its circulated emergency contact numbers is also extending all assistance to Indians who are stranded there. But that's not all. He also said that the government is in touch with representatives of the Afghan Sikh and Afghan Hindu communities, and should they want to be repatriated, India will repatriate them. India will bring them to India. But that's not all. A very important point made by the Ministry of External Affairs is about India's partners in Afghanistan, which means these are Afghans who are now stranded. There's a strong statement in their support. Government has said that we are in constant touch with representatives of the Afghan Sikh and Afghan Hindu communities. We will facilitate repatriation to India of all those who wish to leave Afghanistan. The important point comes after this. There are also a number of Afghans who have been our partners in the promotion of our mutual developmental, educational and people-to-people endeavors. We stand by them. Important big point being made by Government of India. There are a number of Afghans who have been our partners in the promotion of our mutual developmental, educational and people-to-people endeavors. We stand by them. Commercial operations from Kabul airport have been suspended today. This has forced a pause on our repatriation efforts. We are awaiting the resumption of flights to start the process. The situation in Afghanistan is being monitored on a constant basis at a high level. The government will take all steps to ensure safety and security of Indian nationals and our interests in Afghanistan.